T-Mobile's unlock error code 200 appears as server busy, wait, and retry when attempting to unlock a device through their online portal or app. This error indicates high server load during the unlock process. It occurs when too many users request unlocks at the same time, especially during peak hours like evenings and weekends. The server is temporarily overwhelmed and cannot handle your request immediately, similar to waiting in a busy line. This is not a permanent issue or related to device eligibility. Simply wait and try again later. While T-Mobile works on long-term solutions, start by trying again later, especially during off-peak hours like 2 to 6 a.m. Eastern Time. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try using incognito mode to bypass temporary data issues. Switch to a different device, such as from desktop to mobile or vice versa, as this can resolve server routing issues. Use the T-Mobile app, which includes a dedicated troubleshooter and smart queuing system that shows estimated wait times. If the error persists, contact T-Mobile support at 611 or through live chat for manual processing, as this often works when retries fail. Avoid using VPNs as T-Mobile advises against it for potentially violating terms. Remember, persistence is key. Most users succeed after multiple attempts, with app integration improving success rates by 20%.